Welcome. If you want to change video resolution of your DJI device, you have to be connected for sure to the application, and then when you are in this screen, you have to tap right here and then pick the video, and right now tap on the normal, because right here we got also the slow motion, and you have to pick one of your favorite resolutions. So maybe I'm going for this one, and then you have also to select the frames per second. So maybe we can go for the we can go for the 48. Okay, and just tap here, and that's how it changed. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.